101 miles to Cape Town. Wow, look at that. Still in miles.
That's very interesting.
It's got a brand new thatch roof on. So, okay, let's head to Caledon. Alrighty, we've just left Genadendal and the mission station, and we're going to hang a right in the front here and head to Caledon.
R406 that goes to the N2.
Yeah. Okay, let's take a nice gravel road.
That's a cool road.
Yeah, look at that.
Job. Oh, we've never been here before, have
Never,
we?
no, never.
It's quite an incline, hey?
It is. Look there, the road goes.
Yeah.
Very nice, eh?
What is this?
Cabbage.
I wanted to say, is it cabbage?
Cabbage, yes.
Or spinach?
No, cabbage. Could be
you
cauliflower, but it's definitely not spinach.
Sure? It doesn't, well, what do I know?
Cauliflower and cabbage grows in the middle and then it develops inside the leaves in the center layer. Both of them.
So many leaves.
So many leaves, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know the difference between cabbage. I know the difference between cabbage and cauliflower, but I don't know the plants that well.
No prizes for guessing I didn't grow up on a farm, right?
I did the first few years of my life, but that doesn't help much now.
Like until 3.
Yes.
I like the setup here in front.
It looks cool, eh?
No wonder the people built a structure there.
Looks like
Several structures.
could be the homestead.
Oh,
This is pretty.
they are tall trees, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a restaurant, Rifontaine restaurant. Eh?
To me,
It looks like a homestead.
it. No, I don't know if they're open. Maybe they are.
really pretty, eh?
Yeah, it's nice here.
I wonder what they're going to be doing over there.
Is this the end too?
Yes, ma'am.
No way.
Yes, way.
Because I've never come out here.
Neither have I. Let's hope it's easy.
Yeah, it seems it's going to be pretty easy.
Here we are. Doesn't look that easy to me. Oh,
What
that
do you
side
mean?
looks easy.
My
Okay.
side's always easy.
Yeah, this side is
Clear,
easy.
clear,
Yeah.
clear,
Clear. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Caledon, 18.
Caledon and Somerset West are in opposite directions.
We've come out on the top side of Caledon.
Ah, okay. Alright, direction's not my strong point. Oh!
Yeah, we bypassed, we came
Are
around.
you for real? I
Yes.
didn't know that. So we've come out the other side of Caledon.
Caledon, yes.
Pardon me. Did I just embarrass myself?
No, you're fine. You didn't, I planned the route, you didn't know.
No, I was just like, hello.
This doesn't make sense now all of a sudden. Sonia quickly told me to turn in here by the sign of Krige. Why?
Because I only recently heard about Krige for the first time. We've never been there.
Never,
I
no.
thought we'll go check it out.
Let's go check out Krige.
I don't know if it's much more than a station, but let's go look.
Let's go and see. This is now, wasn't planned, but let's see what we find.
I don't think Krige is too far from here. So I think it won't be too big a spanner in your works.
No problem.
Silos.
Looks like a major. These are huge silos, eh?
Yep. I don't know, to go right.
This is to the Overberg silo.
Oh. Go left.
Okay.
There's a railway crossing
Yes, that's
sign.
exactly what I think. Now there might be a little station here by the silos for grain delivery and pickup and stuff like that. So let's see.
A cute little road that runs along the tracks up that way.
Oh.
I think we shall go try.
Let's go and investigate. There's Krige Station.
Okay.
Cute. Wow. I want to go and have a look at the station now that I'm here.
Yeah, why don't you?
"101 miles to Cape Town." Wow, look at that. Still in miles. Now I can just imagine when this station still operates, I suppose, just for the silos, but Wow, look at this. Imagine the people hopping on this train over here, going to Cape Town for the day. Now it looks like they're just storing stuff. Look at this, incredible. Must have been the toilets, ladies and gents toilets, non-existent. Don't exist no more. Wow. That was, I'll be honest with you, I found that very interesting. There's no information about the Krige Station or whatever, but I just found that very interesting because I can just picture like in the 1920s and people coming here with their horse wagons and horse carts and things like that just to get tickets and go to Cape Town, because Cape Town's only 101 miles away. Going to Cape Town for 2 days or something like that, you know.
And the conductors and the ticket sales.
I don't know where it goes to. I just think it goes all along the railroad line, railroad track.
But surely any other vehicle who goes in here must come out.
Surely. I don't know who Shirley is, but yes. Oh, it goes all along. I suppose it's a service road for the railroad track.
Oh, like for maintenance?
For maintenance and stuff, yeah. Right here on the same level or a little bit lower than the rail tracks. Look at that. Can you imagine a train coming past here now? That'll be
concrete sleepers, eh?
Yeah, it's the new way of doing it. That would be exciting if a train could come past here now, eh?
Yeah, I'd love it. No such luck though.
Not right now. We don't have the schedule.
That'll be amazing.
Welcome to Caledon. They put their sign quite far in front of the town, eh?
Yeah, but this already where it starts.
Yeah, it is.